You're gonna love the 2026 Ford Bronco Sport. Here's a rugged Bronco Sport that offers attractive styling, fuel efficiency, all-weather capability, ample cargo space, modern connectivity, and impressive safety features. Let the adventure begin. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio. Explore your world with confidence in this capable Bronco Sport. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.